Hey, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy, simple weeknight dinner. It's only going to take you 30 minutes to make, and it's super delicious and filling. I'm going to show you how to make this sausage penne pasta. And so yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so these are the ingredients you will need. It's not many at all. I have sweet Italian sausage, carrots, onions, garlic, jalapeno, and peppers. I have my penne, my pasta sauce, and I'm using Monterey Jack and Provolone cheese, but you can use your favorite cheese, of course. So I'm going to start by sauteing down my onions, peppers, jalapeno, carrot. I used a half of a large carrot and I shredded it. And you're just going to saute all of these veggies down. I added a lot of veggies because that's just how I like my pasta recipes. I like to put a lot of veggies down in there. And it helps to hide it. If you have kids, they won't see it. As well as, you know, it stretches your meal. So that's why I added all these veggies. And plus I love carrots. And that's why I added it. I seasoned this up with Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper. And I'm not adding any salt to this dish because the sausage has salt and as well as the cheese, so you don't want to overdo it. Alright, so this is about 1.5 pounds of Italian sausage, sweet. You can use the hot one, or you can use ground turkey or ground beef, whatever your choice is. Or you can scrap the meat, add some mushrooms and some other veggies and do it that way instead. So now I'm just going to mix everything together with the veggies and the meat and get it nice and sauteed down until you don't see any more pink. Even though we are using a jarred sauce, adding these veggies definitely picks it up a bit and adds some freshness to it. So now you're going to add your sauce, your favorite brand, of course. I like this brand because it's actually really good and it's not overly sweet at all. Next, I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of water because I am going to cook this down for about 15 to 20 minutes just to get everything nice and gelled together. So you want to mix this in like this. Make sure you taste it for seasoning and cover it and allow it to cook. So now I'm just going to boil my noodles and then we're going to move on. Alright, so after 15 minutes, this is how it looked, and my kitchen smells amazing. It really does. So it's nice and thickened and reduced. So now I'm just going to turn it off and set it to the side, and now we're going to start building the pasta. Now, you don't have to do this way. I'm doing it this way because, child, y'all know I moved the other day. I ain't got no baking pans in my house. Ain't that something? I don't know what I did with my stuff, y'all. I don't know where my baking pans are at. So I decided to layer it in my ramekin bowls like this and just build it from here like a lasagna type of thing. It's not lasagna clearly, but you guys get the point. But if you have a baking pan, just layer it in a baking pan and you're good to go. And I'm putting my cheese, the pasta, the meat, the cheese, the pasta, the meat until it gets to the top. And then I'm going to pop it in my air fryer. Yes, my air fryer. Alright, so now I'm putting it down in my air fryer. You can put this in the oven. I'm going to do it on kind of like a low temp, about 320 for about 10 minutes. And this is what it comes out looking like. I've never done this before. However, it did work and it heated it all the way through from top to bottom. So, you know, it's hot outside in Texas, y'all. I was not trying to turn the oven on. So I had some garlic bread and some salad, and that's pretty much it. And, you know, it was easy to make, quick and easy. Didn't have to slave in the kitchen. Got some help from the grocery store, and you're good to go. You're done. Not many dishes dirty, you know. So if you're a mom or you're on the run, you can whip this up in 30 minutes and go about your business. But thank you guys so much for watching. This was delicious and easy to make. And if you try it, tag me and let me know what you think. And I will catch you on my next video. Bye, you guys.